5/16 socket. We're going to go ahead and loosen up and remove our battery terminals here. And set those aside. And down below we have our 1/2-inch nut. We're going to use a socket and extension to loosen and remove that. And this is for the battery wedge block here to hold this in place. Once that nut is off, let's go ahead and reach down. Pull that out. Set that aside. Go ahead and remove your battery. On the front side of the tray, there's going to be 2 1/2-inch bolts. I'm going to use our socket and ratchet. Let's go ahead, loosen and remove both of these. Let's go ahead and grab our battery tray. Pull it up and out. Go ahead and lower your battery tray down into place. Line up the stud on the back side. Let's go ahead and get our bolt started here. I'm just going to go ahead and tap this down just enough to get that bolt hole to line up. All right, let's go ahead and snug both of those down. I want to go ahead and make these snug, so once you feel it bottom out, I give it about another 1/2 to 3/4 of a full rotation on that bolt. I'm going to do the same for this side here. Go ahead and place your battery into the tray. Take your block here. Go ahead and get that nut installed. Let's go ahead and snug that down. Then go ahead and install your battery terminals. And tighten them down.